Hey, good morning. My name is Marco Gilli from company Gruppo Grassi. Second day at the MattressTech exhibition in India. Yesterday was the first day and it was really interesting. I'm here with our agent and friend of MSBC. The first day was really interesting. We meet a lot of customers and I see a very potential in this market. So yeah, let's see what happened for the second day and we wait for you to see you.
Hello, I'm Dario.
Hello, I'm Elmirah, sales manager of Agomec, and I'm here with Dario. And thanks to Manjit and his team of MSBC Consulting, we are here in MattressTech representing our quilting machines. So the first day was quite productive, interesting. We get response and interest from the customers, and I hope that in the next future we can get some new collaboration and open the Indian market. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. We are here at the MattressTech India in Delhi, showing at our booth our equipment, and we see here a lot of potential with all the exhibitors because there are a lot of mattress companies doing natural latex and PU foam. So our company is doing foam generators and inline compounding systems, where we are going to visit customers, and we are here represented by MSBC, and that is a great show, I believe, where we develop all of our potential.
This is our next time exhibition in India MattressTech. It was in Bangalore 1 year ago. This time it's in Delhi, and we are really very happy having welcomed many visitors yesterday, 2 days ago, today. It's always a great pleasure to come here, and it's really interesting to meet so many important customers. This is for us a very important step, especially also in preparation of Interzoom in May, where all our visitors and many more from India and from all the area here around are very warm welcomed. We will have one of the biggest booths at Interzoom. It's 1,000 square meters. It will be full of every machines for mattresses, the full process starting from the foam block to the finish and packed mattress. All the machines that will be working. It will be a very great experience for all our visitors there. You are very much welcome to come to visit us in May in Cologne. And for us, India, it's a very important opportunity. So that's why we are here. That's why we invite visitors to Interzoom, and I'm planning already to come quite often in this area to visit all our customers and friends. Thanks so much.
Hi, I'm Lorenzo. I work for Flux. We are an Italian manufacturer of RF vulcanizer for the latex industry. We can process PU and also natural rubber. And today we are here in India. It's my first time here actually, and we are trying to re-enter with this new company in this business. And we are here with MSBC Accounting, and we are super happy about this collaboration, and we will see how this fair will take us. And we are here to discover also Flux potential in India, because it's the mattress market is something that is keep growing super in this country, and we want to discover all the potential we have in this kind of field.